The life of Galileo is prescribed for the third semester BCA or in English syllabus. Let us first study about the character sketch of Galileo. Galileo, the protagonist and title character of Life of Galileo, is a lecturer at Padua University, where he specializes in using mathematics to prove astronomical models. Galileo is a robust man, full of energy and endowed with a contrarian nature. Contrarian nature means he does not easily believe which is not based on reason. People usually believe under some pressure what is what is not according to their concept or reason also. He is also a talented and engaging teacher with knack for making complicated topics easy to understand. Though he is a devout Catholic, Galileo likes to question things, which makes him a problem for Catholic Church. The primary object of his questioning is the Aristotelian model, a century-old doctrine that says that Earth exists at the center of the universe. Galileo instead holds to Copernicus model, which places the sun at the center of the solar system with the earth revolving around it. This is the Copernicus theory and it is correct also. As the story unfolds, Galileo finds himself able to prove unequivocally that Copernicus was right, but he faces the difficult task of convincing the church that centuries of religious teachings were wrong. Thus, this was the character sketch of Galileo. He was a scientist and he thought like a scientist, and he has to even he has to go against the church concept. He went against it and proved that what is truth that should be told to the society. Now we'll study about character sketch of Andrea. Andrea is the young son of Mrs. Sarti and a student of Galileo Galilei. Quick-witted and precocious, Andrea likes to question things and even becomes something of a teacher himself. When he attempts to explain Copernicus' model to his mother, Andrea is the first to point out to Galileo when something he is said does not make sense or when a teaching method he used does not really work. In this way, he shares the older man's willingness to question authority. As he ages, Andrea becomes increasingly invested in Galileo's work and is disgusted by Galileo's decision to recant his research under threat of torture by the Inquisition. Still, Andrea remains loyal to Galileo and ultimately helps him to publish his final book. Therefore, the character of Andrea is also fine. She is a fine, he is a fine, this human heart who stands by the correct thing in the society and which is for the development of the science. So, his character is also matches with the Galileo's because he is supporting, he stands like a pillar beside him and always supports him. Character sketch of Little Monk. The Little Monk begins as one of Galileo's many detractors within the Catholic Church, but he ultimately becomes one of Galileo's students and acolytes. Trained to be a theologian, mathematician, physicist, and astronomer all at once, the little monk originally argues with Galileo, defending Aristotle and the centuries of wisdom the church has taught him. However, the little monk has a highly energetic, almost tenacious desire for the truth. So, when he witnesses the evidence of Copernicus' model provided by Galileo's telescope, He finds himself unable to turn away from it. In the end, he becomes one of his teacher's most vocal supporters, even when both the Pope and Inquisitions have arrested Galileo. So the little monk's character is also supportive to the main character, Galileo Galilei. He, when he sees the telescopic evidence of Galileo's experiment that sun is in the center of the earth, he believes it and spreads it in spite of the threat by the church. He is a theologian, he is a mathematician, physicist, and astronomer. So his character is also supportive to the main character, Galileo Galilei. Character sketch of Federzoni. Federzoni grants the lenses for Galileo Galilei's first telescope, a simple task that somehow makes him another of Galileo's students, despite being older than either Andrea or the little monk. While a skilled workman and devoted friend, Federzoni lacks any kind of formal education. As such, he does not speak Latin at all and he struggles to understand the complicated Latinate arguments put forth by Galileo intellectual opponents. He is never embarrassed by these struggles, though he has a sim, though he even seems comfortable engaging those opportunities. Opponents, once Galileo has required them to make their arguments in Italian. Like Andrea and Little Monk, Federzoni turns his back on Galileo after he can't recants his research. Character sketch of Cardinal Barberini. Cardinal Barberini, who later became Pope Urban VIII, had few speaking lines in life of Galileo, but nevertheless had a huge impact on the life of Galileo Galilei and his followers. A mathematician as well as a priest, Barberini first meets Galileo when the church had decided that Galileo's research may continue but not his publishing. During that encounter, Barberini shows himself to be a remarkably intelligent man with a subtle understanding of church responsibilities. He is a shrewd calculator of what must be done for the church, but he is also a human being and lover of science. When, as Pope, Barberini is pressed by the Inquisition to allow the torture of Galileo, he demurs and likely saves Galileo's life. So he is also supportive, at least in saving the life of the Galileo. He stands him at the time of Inquisition when Church has put him under certain punishment for spreading the scientific concept held by Copernicus. Character sketch of Ludovico. Ludovico, whose name literally means I play at the house in Latin, is a rich young playboy whose primarily interest is horses. His mother, however, demands that he be educated broadly and by the best, which leads him to seek out Galileo Galilei as his tutor. Ludovico is something of a one-dimensional character. He cares only about himself and how others perceive him. As his name suggests, he plays at being one of Galileo's students. However, unlike Andrea or the little monk, Ludovico continues on with Galileo in the hopes that it will make him rich. He is briefly engaged to Virginia, but this when her father's reputation as a heretic will make him look bad at church.